Hi guys, I am cooking broccoli, cauliflower. This is my bowl. When I mix, I can show you guys. Hold on a sec. I'll show you guys how I mix my food. Okay, this is ASMR cooking vlog. So you're just stirring it. It's hard for me to do it with another hand. Okay. And I always go back, go under them and all that stuff. I'm also cooking beef, so give me 2 seconds too. Yeah guys, I should have showed you guys how I cook. So this is the beef. I put some tomato, some pepper, some onion, there's garlic, put my seasoning, and then later on I'm gonna put some potatoes. It's gonna look so delicious. So yeah guys, this is my board when I use to cut like chicken, beef, you know, those type of meats. So this is my little ASMR how I cook. Maybe one day I'll show you guys how I cook and like clean the meat, but I should have done that earlier. But it's a little ASMR cooking vlog. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye.